are at the Nuke. That's where I'm going to try an iced coffee for the first time. Yeah, and then we're off to breakfast. Nuke. Ah no, it's summer. So we'll see how it goes. I'll let you know if I like it or not. Iced coffee. Really nice. Get me buzzing for the day. And I'll probably have some tonight so I don't fall to sleep. But yeah, really nice. Just me and my mum today. Off to steak.
Wait for a steak and eggs.
Everyone else has gone to another place, but we're not too fussed, so me and mum took ourselves to here. McDonald's on steroids apparently. Hash House a go-go. But yeah, we're coming for steak and eggs. Boom.
Steak and eggs special.
What more do you want? Mirage like?
Shutting down, it shut down.
Mirage is shutting down?
It shut down because that's going to be a Hard Rock Cafe.
Oh, that's what it's going to be?
Yeah. So shall we cross this cross?
I didn't know that, yeah.
And then experience sun.
Yeah, oh, yeah, got on the other side of the road.
There.
Yeah. Caesar's Palace? It's huge, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
All of that Caesar's. Oh my god. Yeah, purple.
Wow.
It is cool, isn't it? Well. To be fair, the view from that balcony from when we went to Omnia was sick, to be fair.
How much you both went?
They went down to Treasure Island then last night. Madness. Caesar's Palace. I'm trying to see if there's any nice cars at the entrance. So we shall see. They've got this in Caesars. That's quite cool. Oh, Hell's Kitchen's there. Oh, it's everywhere. Your favourite person? Did Dad like him?
No. He said I've knocked his block.
It is. Swear it's 20. It's all show. It is 100% all show. So cool. Any cars? You saw Lambos outside, didn't you? I like that red Tesla. That colour's nice. The fountain that I could not appreciate the other day because I was dead. But it's actually quite cool now. So it's in Italy, that fountain? In Rome?
Fountain.
Yeah. People throw coins in it, don't they?
And the steps, it's called Spanish Steps, next to it.
Oh.
That's where, is it still on?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, they tell them information. That's where what is.
No.
Mum was saying that, she's not bothered. You're back from your breakfast.
I'm full.
She's full as all.
Oh, that snot that came up your fucking. The amount of snot that came up my nose. I sprayed my nose this morning to get it out. Our actual go-go, honestly, the big black napkins, there must have been 2 tissues that come out. Which is good. I like.
TMI. The win. An encore. Have you seen that, man? They've made the scaffolding same as windows, so it don't look out of place and
Exactly
disgusting.
what they're doing.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, they're replacing our windows, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, sun's across there now.
I know it's crossword. It's madness. And I do that cup challenge.
Oh gosh.
So I send your fogs here, but it's getting shut down. And there's a big pipe shoot.
Trump is behind.
And then Donald Trump.
What a guy.
What a guy.
Yeah, they used to have a battle, that pirate ship.
And that pirate ship. There's a runner. That's cool. Did they move? Did the boats move?
They used to sing, one used to sing.
That's cool. Yeah. Oh, it's windy. The hairline's being revealed.
Take your time, mate.
I think you were taking photos.
He's gone. We've left him.
That's a lovely fountain over there, isn't it?
If he didn't have his care, I mean, if he done without Emma.
Boston and then Resorts World, because we didn't do them last time.
Oh, Sunday's happy.
Look at women dancing at bus stop.
She's seen me dancing. I bet it looked like I was dancing to her.
True love.
God. Not stripping for you now, mate.
Oh, yes now.
Hey.
Loving life, not caring world.
She said she must have been warm with that on it.
I
So.
could have said.
And then there's him in a jumper and trackies.
All in black.
Shut up! She looks good. That one I
Will that stick on outside really? If I just...
Oh, man.
just a nice casual photo.
No! The carbons of it. So we're going into the shopping mall. That's cool. That's some cool stairs.
Let's cross his fingers. Louis and Bingo.
What?
Yes, bingo and going.
Did you not get the ones from yesterday?
Bandit and Chili.
There's a big
Who are they?
Mum and Dad.
Oh no, they look the same.
She's got a mum and dad from a mum and dad.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
If you don't get Louis and Bingo. I'm not giving up hope. And if not, I'll order them when I get up. She'll never know.
Let's see any shopping. The shopping centre.
Macy's where I got you that baby old jumper from it.
Oh yeah. Here you go, boss shop. Let's do a bit of spending in Vegas, and then hopefully win it all back tonight. It were nice for us too, weren't it? Yeah. Right, this one.
No, I was doing time for you and your mum to have some time together. And I went for a big breakfast, but where we went, you wouldn't like that.
I wouldn't have eaten all
He
of
would
it.
have ate the food, but it would just, he knew what he wanted.
Yeah, I love my steak, potato cubes and egg.
Exactly.
This isn't a me type of shop.
It's like Devon, and there's loads of stuff. I got your baby Yoda from Macy's in
You can get a personal stylist while in here. I don't need one, because I am drip. This looks like just all women's. It's like like men's. No clue. But I'm saving my money for Culture King, which is in Caesar's Palace, because that's got absolute drip in there. That is cute. For Muslin or Belle? I feel like, is that too small for Muslin?
That's too small.
Yeah, for Belle when she's a bit older.
It's tiny. It's
$74.
it's cute though, isn't
It is nice. I've been given a job to find Oliver some toys. So let's try. There ain't much. What would Oliver like? I can't be tired already. I need more grown-up toys. There's a mess. I'm looking for Minecraft. Or what else? Super Mario. Lego. Simpsons. Pokemon. I'm not seeing much. Get Oliver a skateboard. I think he'd like that. There ain't much. Meet my new friend, Gary the giraffe. We've got presents for Oliver, presents for Una, presents for Rosie, presents for Belle. So I think we are sorted. Happy days.
Sour pickles.
You've got another drink.
No, we're just having
No,
a
I was having a
browse.
Thank you. Like sweet heaven. To eat the store. We're back on Body Works looking for the Disney Castle. We're gonna end it though, cause we're gonna get copyrighted. This place is huge. Isn't it? Don't know what to look in. Macy's here. There should be two separate shops here. That's Macy's Men's. I need some sugar. Yeah, keep my energy up. Well, we're in another shop. Let's see what we find. Bad idea. They've left me by myself. It's a Lego shop, so I am going in the Lego shop. Let's see if they have anything different in America. They probably won't, to be fair, but you never know. But it's huge. They've got a Build-A-Bear here. I thought Build-A-Bear were just English, but it must not be. Well, let's see. Lego shop. Yeah, there weren't really much in Lego shop, all basically the same, but there was this one set, and it's the world map, and you can put little things down on it, and you can get then you put photos on it. It's like the world map and travelling. So then you can put where you've travelled and the photos of that place. I really beat my bush on that, didn't I? My foot's killing me. But I'm gonna head down, back to Kate and my mum. Sorry. Happy days. Security's in front of me. Done shopping. Yeah. Got all those magnets. Anything we need for kids. I'm gonna sit outside now and chill.
I don't really understand what that gas ball's for.
Isn't that what the water were? The watermelon?
Or is that the flavour?
Might be, and it will stop it from all coming out. It will block the holes.
Yeah, no, but there must be a reason for it. And then there's like two finger things here. What you're supposed to that?
I know.
I went to use that one too.
Not bad. Thank you. Get that one to carry everything.
Do you know what that costs?
Carrying one bag, I may as well carry 5.
Exactly. This is me type of shop.
I really like that.
They are cool.
Not $10.
Some chicken here. See what we can get. It's very bright. A wild Lisa is down there. Done us shopping. Got what we needed. What's planned now? We don't know what's happening now. I think we're just gonna wait for everyone to gather back up again and then go from there.
We're lost.
Yeah, we got Nathan and Ash and them who are lost. So don't know when we'll ever see them. Steve's at pub, as you do. And we're here. Happy days. Here we have a wild pigeon in the natural habitat of Viva Las Vegas. Hello. It's saying, I'm a pigeon, feed me. I'm gonna say it's boiling. What's plan of action then after here?
I'm gonna win so you can see F1 cars and stuff.
Yeah. Going to the win. This pigeon is very intriguing.
This pigeon's got a thing for it. He's standing on one leg, he's like showing off now. Why is he standing on one leg?
Poor pigeon. Katie is jumping off the stratosphere tomorrow. What an absolute idiot. You will not catch me jumping off that. The only thing I'm going to be jumping off is... I don't even know. I don't know how to finish that sentence. Everyone's down there. We're off into win. This is behind this tree. That's why there's F1 cars in here, so that's buzzing. Cool fountain. We're all getting in, we're all getting in. Photo time. Going through revolving door. Wow, it's posh in here. I don't think I've got enough money for this place. The roof is cool. Channel. And there's got a random carousel in the middle of it. This is cool. Yo. This is cool.
That's pretty.
Yeah. Can you have some photos underneath it? Whoa.
Let's get a picture of you.
That's cool. Whoa.
Yeah, very dope.
That's it. Whoa. This is very cool.
That's normal in UK. What about the last? Oh, look at these toilets. Oh, we want to go to
Madness. Nah, this is a me shop. Look at them. I like that colour. Mum. 2,500. It's $2,500 for 36 months.
You can do that drive and experience.
That's cool.
And a gift from McLaren.
Have a look, guys. Don't touch anything though, we're not having it. If you break it, you can't afford it.
Said getting current.
That's very nice.
Or if Vegas treats you well, no.
£4 grand a month for 36 months. You think we can afford that?
Yeah.
Put all of his wages
You'd have
together.
to sell your kidney though, I think.
I think it's worth it.
Look at those though.
They're unbelievable.
Beautiful, aren't they?
Unbelievable. Probably not. That's a shame. I won't fit in them.
Unfortunately, you don't do it for diets, do they? That's something you can have at once.
Lewis Hamilton's race worn helmet in 2010. 200 grand that man. Thank you.
There you go. I'll buy you one.
Buy me a McLaren, that's it. I'll have that please. Give mum it's 300 and 400 quid to do simulator racing. Look at that though. I won't have it in that colour though. That blue or that orange.
Very similar to my colour car. That's why you're saying it.
I'm gonna. I generally would not fit in one of these. I would not fit. Madness. Look at the back of it. That's mental. Absolutely mental. This is crazy. It's fully made out of carbon fibre. He just he loves it. He loves it. Oh my god. That's like, how much is that? Like 2.5 mil or something, innit? Something extortionate. That's crazy. Wow. 1 of 5 and the other one in America. What?
Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
How much would one be worth?
Some of them, the average about 2 or 3 million starting.
Wow.
This one in particular is a very special model. There's only 5 in the world of this one. This is the only one in the US, so it's valued between 7 to 8 million.
Jesus.
So it's a very special limited edition.
I've left my credit card.
Sorry. Well, you're in Vegas,
What a
so
shame.
cash works too.
Mum just told Dad you're buying it with your winnings.
Yeah, with my winnings, I'm gonna buy it.
Your phone. Put your glasses on so you can see it.
The inside is like a spaceship.
This one the auction?
Bridget.
I'm from Manchester.
Manchester.
Yeah, it's like something north.
We're young.
That's mental. I need that gorilla in my house. I wonder how much that's worth though. Monopoly man? They are cool. This is cool. We don't need to save up. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win big. I feel it today. Don't want electric shock, do you, Mum? Back outside. Oh, we're quite close to Trump Tower. No, we're not. Steady walk back. We are now in the Venetian. Quite cool. Smells weird. Okay, look at all of your Wheel of Fortunes here. This is quite cool. I also see the gondolas. Whoa. Whoa. That's quite cool. 16th Chapel. Sistine Chapel or something.
That's it, something like that. We got to rid of one, didn't we?
What? Buzzing. It's the actual guitar. There's a hoverboard. Signed Chewbacca. Okay. Lightsaber. Signed by Mark Hamill. What's the ticket?
Bank of America deposit. Special.
Multi-E Disney.
Walt Dream Special Act. $150.
Oh my god. 50 grand. This is crazy. Bless you. This bit's cool. Don't know where we are though.
Why is it? Walt Dream looks there.
$100 liqueurs.
Yeah, they'll be
This area is cool. So these are the gondolas. It does feel like you're outside. You're actually inside. It's mad. There we are. What? Snoop does what his own sketches out. They're very good, thank you. These are crazy. Even I won't wear them. No, thank you. Oh, Steve's gone to him.
I'm thinking the sky's moving, but it's actually static, isn't it? It's you moving.
I thought it were moving.
It's when you move, it makes you feel like it's moving. It's not.
It does make you feel like it's moving. No, what is it, Mum? Why are you so scared?
That's nice, isn't it?
This one nice. What are you saying, Mum?
St. Mark's Square.
St. Mark's Square?
Yeah. Italy.
In Italy. You're so funny. You get that shot then?
No.
Oh, I think I did. This is cool. Manners.
Look at me, I've got no makeup around my nose.
The best is the faces of the team.
You know what he's gonna do?
Are you recording? Are you
Oh, Nathan can actually get long.
So interesting, they're trying to figure out which coins are what and where they're from.
It's only like 10p.
It's just under the bit, the edge on that is thicker. The silver on that one is
Yeah.
slightly less. I think that's a euro.
Is he zooming in? It's a big Look at that dragon.
What's a dragon?
Are we going downstairs that way? Are we going that way?
I need to go.
I'm going somewhere.
Been up there.
No clue what's going off. We're just following. They're moving.
I'm wiping my nose here.
You didn't have to turn round to the camera, did you?
We're going up.
Have you got enough storage on there? Have you checked?
I've got 2 hours left.
Oh, nothing. That's not a lot of time, that.
It's half.
Did you click? Stop recording while I'm talking about this because you're wasting time that you don't need to be wasting.
I've seen this all the time I've been here. Alkaline water. I'm trying it and I'll tell you what it's like. So tonight we are off to Paris and then Rainforest Cafe and then maybe up the Eiffel Tower and then yeah. So Katie, OTN, what are we saying?
Jeans are... What's the brand of jeans?
Levi.
Levi. My top is from Sheen, so the leopard print one. My stroller is from TikTok shop. My
Drip,
shoes
drip.
are from New Balance.
Drip drip. I'm exactly the same as this morning but in jeans. So yeah. So see you when we pick my mum up.
Okay.
Mum! OOTN, what we saying?
Done us. Oh, outfit of the night.
Oh, jeez, I ain't got a clue.
Skechers.
Sketches,
Leggings.
leggings,
With gardens.
Wentworth Garden Centre.
Boy, you put your mum on the spot. She don't know. She just lost her keys.
Pass. Pass.
Sorry.
Pass. This is mad. It's madness. That's very tall. So this is Paris. The legs are inside the hotel, which is quite cool. It's quite mad though. We're hoping that we might be able to go all the way to the top of the Eiffel Tower. So we're going to work that out now. And then here we have the Arc de Triomphe. That was the most perfect pronunciation of that ever. Then we have a hot air balloon for some random reason. We're crossing the road. We're gonna die, we're gonna die, we're gonna die. Maybe not. Where are we off to now? The Arc de Triomphe itself. Whoa. This is huge. Whoa. Whoa. So now we're on Planet Hollywood. Gordon Ramsay Burger. Such an original name. I think Kate's going to the toilet for the 100th time. Yeah, there's no spectacular, is there?
No, like
Isn't it? It's quite cool, but there's not much going on. Planet Hollywood, guys. Disappointed. We have entered the Rainforest Cafe. We're in the shop bit at the moment. We need to get served. Bit low. Need to make it higher. Fuming. This is so cool. The elephant is not happy. Katie's glass is really cool.
Ooh, that's nice.
What you got?
Pina colada, rum, and all sorts in it.
Oh.
Yeah, bit of rum. Oh, I forget that it's just juice.
No.
It's a mocktail.
I got Sprite. What a surprise. I got the steak. Kate got hot and spicy pasta. One with a burger. Happy days. Let's get tucked in.
I think it was 30 when I put it in.
So we just come out of Rainforest Cafe.
Have it.
Mum really enjoyed it.
Very nice.
Katie obviously enjoyed it, as always. Dog's having a wee. Nice one. So now, dropping Katie off back at Flamingo, and me and Mum are going to watch the Bellagio fountains.
You don't see that every day.
So,
Don't be proud.
I know. So that's going to be it for tonight. Goodbye.